let's do that. Let's just showcase you how broken it is. It's like, this is one part, but let's do it. Let's go here. My brave Vikings climb the hills. You can see, like, I would probably need to go through here in a proper game. Go through here, face the Dome Vikings, the Dome Dwarves, or whatever they are. Face this may be in the way. It's like, no, just climb this. Just move. I climb this. There are some bears, so we're gonna fight some bears probably. It's fine. How many do we have? We have 5 Vikings. Literally, this can defeat like at least 1 ice giant, maybe 2. So you can see it's pretty easy. And we probably have already all axes here. Yeah. So let's just move it. You know? They're here, so let's just move it here. Other one. Sorry, probably don't see where I'm moving it. It's just far away. Yeah, still all. Okay. So, cool. You can see this is pretty much. Oh, we have now 4 because we built the houses. Apparently, some, even if it said like I have all. Easy, but yeah, I built the houses. So yeah, now I have like full army. Those are just fist fighters, but it doesn't matter. I don't need the proper army. I just can spam this. So we go here. We go here. We go here. Nice. Okay, that was a small army there. Oh yeah, let's go here. And let's go for the here. And let's join the rest of our guys. So yeah, like this is literally unbeatable. There's nothing they can spawn that I cannot beat. Which is, and you can say, okay, this is pathetic. It's even female ice guard. Like the last level had like 4 of those ice golems. Yeah. So let's just fight stuff to show you how strong this is. Move. Here. Spawn this one. Open portal. You could then go down and kill everything here, but what's the point? Like, this is your target. You don't need to do anything. No. This is your target. Now you won. Pathetic, isn't it? This little tiny, I wouldn't even call it a village. It's just like wrecked some people. They wrecked some ship and landed here. This defeated this level with apparently an enemy on it. So yeah, like, yeah, great enemies. They do stuff. They build buildings, towers, and stuff. Like, what's the point? They're not anyhow dangerous for me. Literally 0 effort from the developers in designing the levels. Apparently, some levels are even like random. I have seen just the same levels again and again. Like, so some of them apparently are pre-designed, but really badly, when you ask me. So yeah, we just won the level. So enter the portal and we won. So guys, keep safe. Keep your hands away from Valhalla Hills. It's not a building strategy game. It's not a strategy game at all. And yeah, not worth your money. What's the summary? Buy something else. Literally any other strategy game. There is enough that still stands the challenge of the time. You can buy Settlers 2. There is even like 10-year anniversary edition that has very similar graphic to this, so it looks much better than the pixelated old one. Buy a new Settlers one. Buy the old cartridges. Buy anything else. Buy Banished. Just don't buy Valhalla Hills because they are not worth it. And apparently there was not enough thought put into the game. So yeah, until I fix it, your money are better spent somewhere else. And these guys cost $25 for 5 minutes of a game per level. Not worth it in my opinion, not at all. So stay safe and bye. Waterman out.